Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Sorry, trying to move the tripod. So, out fishing again, Sawyer Lake. I'm gonna go, I just switch rods because the tip of the last one actually snapped off. So, I'm gonna get this guy going. I'm gonna go with a bobber right off the bat because, wow, did I get all this tangled? Dude. Oh man. How did I get this tangled up? Must have been from riding in the back of the truck. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, sweet. Okay. Yeah, I put it in the back of the truck. You know, what am I gonna do? So I'm gonna get my tackle box. Just gonna go with a bobber. Come on. Yes. And I got some get this power bait nibblers. See, there's a problem with, fishing stuff is so small and the camera focus is such a pile. It's like there's almost no point in even showing anything close up. I really need to get a new camera. Which I will get eventually. Probably my next big purchase will be, well, I gotta catch up financially, but once I'm all caught up, I got a little bit behind. But once I get all caught up, my next big purchase will definitely be a new camera. So, let's, got two of these guys on there. Let's get that in the water. I know that'll show up, but I got the bobber way up here. And I got a pretty long leader. That do its thing. Alright. This is kind of my setup. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm basically starting from scratch, so that includes knowledge. So if that will show, power bait. I got some eggs. They should still be good. And I have just, I've got some cutters for the line. I actually have 3 licenses in here. Two of these are expired. I just did that because one time I accidentally threw away the new, I had a registration in the car and I threw away the new one, kept the old one, and I got a ticket. So now I just keep them all just because I'm paranoid. I went to Sportsman's Warehouse and I bought a few things to throw in my tackle box. I got those 2. I got these little guys. Did I have anything else? Oh yeah. Got one of these. I got these jig heads. And I got this guy as well. So, and I got just some extra line. Weights. I guess more weights. Don't have much in here in the top. I actually got these little pincers just for pulling out hooks. Probably don't need them, but I got these scissors for cutting line. Let me get this little crayfish. Not a whole lot, but I gotta start somewhere. I just brought it all with me. And I got, like hooks. This is, actually I already had these, but I got some hooks in here, some small bobbers in here, these swivels in here, a few weights, just odds and ends. And then I had, these are just so soft, I forget what they're called now, but a few of these jigs in there, a few flies in there, some of these soft, like, these. I'm probably screwing up on the terminology, but I just threw them in there. They didn't, these weigh like, very little, so I just brought it all. Threw it in my backpack. I think I should get some coffee. Yeah, that is my view right now. Absolutely gorgeous. Camera never does it justice. Maybe before I leave, I'll walk around the other side of the park. I just came here because there's a bench right here. So, which I'll turn the camera around and show you in a bit. So, funny story, and actually kind of sad, so you guys can point and laugh at me, but I was setting up to make my coffee, and I didn't bring a stove, or I didn't bring a lighter, or a match, or my EDC fire kit, which defeats the purpose of having it in the first place. Oh, man. Fortunately, I've got these drink mixes. Got some Crystal Light here, so I have something to drink. I know I have a fire kit in the car because I'm going to do a Fatwood Friday when I get to the parking lot. So I do have it, it's not with me. That's awkward, embarrassing. Defeated the whole point of making the damn thing. What do I do with that cap or litter? Of course, I'd have to fall behind. Well, at least I have a drink and some water, plenty of water. I'm gonna throw that bobber back out a little. At least I caught something. Got a bunch of weeds. Yeah, let go. Didn't break a leg either. Laying here beneath the picnic table is a Canadian goose feather. There we go. Oh, it's going the wrong way. There you go. Where's side is it? Oh, side is it on? There we go. I used to have feathers on my black hat, but the little bands that I put all the feathers on broke. So I had nothing to hold the feathers on, so I just quit doing it, unfortunately. Of course, the slight breeze has to be pushing my bobber towards me, because, you know, it's friendly like that. The hook got stuck on the... Why are you not reeling up? Why are you not... Alrighty, so because the breeze kept blowing my bobber, I decided to tie on this little guy here. And just tied on this little thing. Swivel, I think it's called. Sorry if my terminology isn't correct, but it's tied on one of these hooks. Wow, I'm gonna have to study up a little bit. So basically, I'm gonna be and I got the weight right here. It's just one of those ones that you can move. So I didn't show tying it on and hooking it because the camera wouldn't have focused on it anyway. So there we go. I'm just gonna cast out and reel it back in over and over and see what kind of action we get. Why does it keep doing this? What the hell, man? It just sits and spins. Ah. Well, time truly flies when you're having fun. Thinking about the time, and I gotta run back to the truck because I want to do a Fatwood Friday before I leave. I want to get that filmed. If I can edit it tomorrow. On top of the other things I wanted to get done tomorrow. And I did go to the boat launch first, but now I know not to go there because, for reasons, I can just come straight here now. So,